Shut up, nigga. Shut up. I have lawyers. Are you stupid or are you dumb?
I need to talk to you though.
No, I don't care. No. What the fuck? Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I have lawyers. Are you dumb? All right.
Fort Lauderdale International Airport, Gate G11. A woman is removed from a Spirit Airlines flight, and what she does next turns a misdemeanor into a federal case. This incident presents 5 legal issues: a federal aviation violation, disorderly intoxication, resisting without violence, a criminal threat against officers, and attempted bribery of law enforcement. Under Florida Statute 901.15, a warrantless arrest is lawful when probable cause exists that a misdemeanor occurred in a public place. Airline crew delivered a first-hand, corroborated account of sustained intoxicated and disruptive behavior before officers made contact. Probable cause was established at the briefing. The foundational violation occurred in the air. Under Title 14 of the Code of Federal Regulations, Section 121.575, passengers may not consume alcohol unless it is served by the airline. Self-serving a personal bottle mid-flight is a federal regulatory violation enforceable by the FAA, separately from any state criminal charge. Florida Statute 856.011 requires 2 elements: intoxication or drinking in a public place and a resulting public disturbance or safety risk. Both are met. Crew documented self-service alcohol consumption, sustained profanity toward other passengers, and physical altercations requiring seat relocations. An airport gate is a public place. The charge is legally sound.
Somebody vaping on the plane?
Yes, sir. So the situation was that yes, she was in 27D, and it's Genesis, but she was actually caught vaping twice in the flight. She was asked to stop. She wouldn't stop. She took the vape out. Then she was cursing, belligerently, calling allowing these lines all to almost the first half of the flight. She kept on out of control. We had to separate her from the passengers traveling with and move all the guests around her to the front to avoid. She always got like a fist fight with another passenger. She was just belligerent, totally controlled. So we had to separate by ourselves for the duration of the flight. And she tried to open her alcohol, to consume the alcohol. We took it from her as well. This is her favorite alcohol, so I'm not gonna say anything to her because I don't think going in and actually come out with the alcohol with me, so.
Just make an announcement and have her come out. If she doesn't come out, then we'll come in. Huh? Vaping, apparently she was causing 25 with other passengers and shit like that.
Did they see him? They see
Yeah,
him?
they took her song or something.
He's in the back there?
Yeah, she is a sergeant.
Where's she at?
She's coming. That's her.
You call Sergeant and just see me and then you can just get her ID.
Yeah, of course.
Step outside. What's your name?
Genesis?
We'll talk outside. What's going on?
Nothing. Pretty much all I didn't do anything at all. I swear to God, I didn't do anything.
Okay, so.
That's not even the thing. No, I didn't do anything. I didn't talk
You got ID on you?
nobody, and I didn't talk.
Hey, you can
I
stop.
didn't hit anybody. Shut up, nigga. Shut up. I have lawyers. Are you stupid or are you dumb?
We need to talk to you though.
No, I don't care. No. What the fuck? Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I have lawyers. Are you dumb? All right.
Now you're going to jail.
Now I'm going to jail.
Yep.
For what? I haven't What am I going to jail for? That's the thing. What am I going to jail?
Huh? I don't know. We just got on the plane.
Babe.
Was she drinking on the plane?
Yeah.
Yeah, she was drinking on the plane?
I had one shot though. One shot. That doesn't affect me. Juju!
Can you open
Ah,
up
you asshole! Hold on, wait. I can't correspond. Just hold on. You're gonna break my arm.
Oh, but I'm not, ID.
Alright, you're going up that way. Ah! Wait. Please correspond to my arm, please. Wait, please. Wait. My arm is gonna break, please. Wait, dude, please correspond to my arm. Wait. Thank you. That feels a lot better.
During initial questioning, no Miranda warning was required. Under Berkemer versus McCarty, investigative questioning in a public setting, prior to formal custody, does not trigger Fifth Amendment obligations. Miranda attaches upon custodial arrest. The subject's invocation of lawyers at this stage had no legal effect on the officer's authority to proceed. The handcuffing sequence is governed by Graham versus Connor. Reasonableness of force is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on scene, not in hindsight. Active resistance was present throughout. Officers adjusted restraint positioning after the subject expressed pain consistent with use of force standards. That responsiveness is a mark of professional conduct. Active resistance also supports a second potential charge. Florida Statute 843.022, resisting without violence. The statute criminalizes obstruction or opposition to an officer executing a legal process. Pulling away from officers and refusing positioning commands meets the threshold established under Florida case law.
I just need to correspond to my arm. Can you take my headphones? Ow. It's not that bad. You guys are Miami, Florida, I know. Exactly, so you don't have to treat me like that. We are not out of the States. You guys are in the country. We are U.S. citizens now. We're not out of the States. You can't treat me like that.
Just ask her how much she was doing and what she was doing on the plane.
I wasn't doing jack shit. You guys just want to do something for a paycheck. Got my face. And I gave you that paycheck, stupid. My boyfriend's gonna pay that shit regardless. Y'all are pay me for no fucking reason. Y'all choose the right one this time, stupid ass niggas. Not even stupid, retarded. Now I'm gonna sue all of y'all bitch asses. All of y'all about to be left with no job. Absolutely no job, retarded.
Yeah, 41.
TSA, you gonna put me through TSA again? Put me through jail right now, nigga.
You have a 10-13 white female.
White? No, I'm Latina. I'm not white. I'm not no fucking white ass bitch. Are you stupid or are you retarded? Oh wait, we've been declared that retarded.
Carry out.
3 Alpha 11 will be 10 moments.
Flight is at 3, bro. I have to leave at 3, dude. What are you doing? This was your fault, bro. He was on me. That flight attendant was on me, bro. And I pushed him off. That's not fair. I pushed him off of me, bro. That's not fucking fair. Oh. That was on me. He wanted to get at me, bro.
Get the file.
I didn't want any of
Lighting heavy
that.
drink.
Please.
I'm on.
You have to understand that flight attendant was on me. I didn't do anything to him. And then the other girl.
Sit off 11 of mine, support our second, 2 Alpha 2.
I just want to go home. I don't even want to be here. I hate DR. I think DR is so
Bring the
bad.
12, Lieutenant Mother, heavy drink, over 12.
I just want to go home.
Hello?
12.
Yeah.
3 Alpha 29 Bravo.
That white guy,
I already got her out.
he's the one who put it on.
I already got her out of the car.
I didn't do anything to the white guy, please.
Give me a 13
He's the one who put the thing on me, guys. I didn't do anything to him. Please, he just got upset because I didn't want to do anything with him, please. That's not fair. Me and my friend are flying out together. I just didn't want to do anything with him, please.
And I should be logging in on the early. Thank you.
The white guy, he didn't let, he covered his name when I asked for his picture. I have lawyers.
What did the flight attendant say she was doing in there?
Money. If you check my passport and my card, I have straight money, please. I don't want to do anything with the white.
So according to the reports,
The statement I'm about to shoot all of y'all triggers analysis under Florida Statute 836.12. A credible threat against a law enforcement officer made with intent to cause reasonable fear of death or bodily injury is a third-degree felony. The operative word is credible. Courts evaluate context, access to means, and the target's reasonable response. Officers appeared not to treat it as imminent, relevant, but not dispositive. A direct statement of intent to shoot officers made during a custodial encounter sits at the outer edge of First Amendment protection under Cohen versus California. The state attorney would have grounds to charge. Under that same statute, regardless of whether officers believe the threat was credible in the moment, the repeated financial offers paid double, then triple, are analyzed under Florida Statute 838.015. Bribery of a public servant is a third-degree felony, requiring a corrupt offer to influence an official action. Officers declined without engagement the correct response. Whether criminal intent is provable is a matter for the state attorney. The sustained profanity directed at officers does not support independent charges. Under Cohen versus California, offensive speech toward government officials is constitutionally protected, absent incitement to imminent lawless action. The disorderly intoxication arrest was predicated on conduct, not language. That distinction is legally essential. The subject was charged with disorderly intoxication under Florida Statute 856.011, a second-degree misdemeanor, maximum 60 days and a $500 fine. No charges for the criminal threat or bribery were confirmed in footage. Further case disposition is unknown at time of analysis.
He's already the one.
Hello?
Please, I'll pay you double with the offer.
She went crazy. She went nuts. She's one of the yeah. She's going. You can hear her. She's hella drunk and she went nuts. So I put her handcuffs.
Throughout the 8, they have entries for 3, 9, and 2
No, that's not usable. No, we didn't slam or anything. But I didn't know this was coming from Santo Domingo, so they said customs had to clear her. But she was going crazy. I just handcuffed her and took her right out. She was like Dennis was trying to talk to her, and she just went nuts after that. Yeah, no, I didn't know it was gonna be major, but I mean, she was calm when she walked out, and soon as when she got out, Dennis was trying to talk to her, and she just went nuts.
Recovery 98 Alpha, show me 10-7.
I'll pay you triple.
Delta 3, so far I have you in Robinson.
Quadruple is $400.
Delta 1.
Oh, sir.
Are you still
You're not gonna find anything.
Please look on the page 16. Last year, for minutes.
Okay, all right then. Okay, then I'm waiting for her friend to give her her stuff. I just need her ID. Okay, you got her ID or no?
I need his name. I don't care.
Okay, all right, cool.
I need his name.
Okay, all right, then. Okay.
That niggas better get blasted the fuck up, bro. Not blasted.
3 Alpha 41, 1037.
Better get sued
Go ahead,
the fuck up, bro. Please. I need his name. The one who was on the fucking plane. I need his name. Okay, P. I'll stay here. I'll book another night, bro. You want me to book another night? You want me to book another night? I'll book another night. I don't give a shit about no $200. I'll book another night, and I need that white guy's name on the plane, bro. No. You guys are messing with the wrong bitch, bro. I'll get the up in this mother right now. Right now, Brody. I need a white guy's name. The white guy's name who's on the Spirit flight, bro.
I'll bring a different person.
The only reason why I fly is so I can keep low.
3 Alpha 50, 65, 1300.
Bitch, you guys don't even know who the my man is.
Maybe at 400 Terminal Drive, Sun Garage.
Hey, yo, Sheriff! Sheriff! No! No. Sheriff! Sheriff, I know you hear me. Are you dumb or retarded?
What's going on?
Yes, I need the white guy's name. Put everything in my bag, and I need the white guy's name.
I got you.
The white guy's name. Yes,
I got you.
Better have me.
1090.
Babe, what's your name? I'm Sergeant Clea. I'm G.T. Clea. Yeah. Take your details for me, okay? Was the flight attendant?
Around the 13 and
I will go find that out. We actually don't know. So I will go find that out, okay? He can't give it to you because he doesn't know. Thank you. I just need to get there to the airplane so I can get it like that. If you guys don't want to get me back on the flight when I'm off, I'll get it. Okay, money is not the issue. But we have to do that. We have to do our job because you got kicked off the flight, okay? So, take a deep breath for me. I'm actually going to patch you in real quick. Do you have any weapons or anything? What's your first name, darling? And my man got money. Bro, wait, hold on. I don't know if you guys are gonna steal my shit. You guys.
Your friend's coming to get your stuff.
Bro, why can't you put my shit first and then I'll go in with you? No, not my ring. Not my ring. For what? I'm not going to jail.
2011.
What am I going to jail for?
Reaching a signal 413 cents off Federal McDonald's. Drive-through 3, no injury. Bye-bye.
It's gonna go with you, okay? No, you guys always steal my
Right, and were you still responding remotely?
Yes, you have. This is not the